afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maura Corser. It's my pleasure to be your Captain Service Director on board this flight to Munich. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our Executive Club members and our One World frequent flyers. If there's anything we do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. Ladies and gentlemen, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. Very shortly we start our on-board service offering complimentary food and drinks to all